IELTS Speaking Part 2 Topic. Describe an event or festival you would like to attend in the future. What is the event or festival? Where and when does it take place? What interests you about it? How do you think it would be enjoyable or meaningful?
I would like to share my excitement about an event that has always captured my imagination and is definitely on my bucket list: Burning Man. Burning Man is an extraordinary festival that takes place annually in the Black Rock Desert, Nevada, United States. The event spans for a week, typically commencing at the end of August and concluding on Labor Day in early September. What truly fascinates me about Burning Man is its unique blend of artistic expression, community, and radical self-reliance. The festival is renowned for its awe-inspiring art installations, extravagant costumes, and mind-boggling sculptures that seem to defy the boundaries of creativity. It creates an otherworldly atmosphere where people can freely unleash their imagination and connect with like-minded individuals who share a passion for art and self-expression. The concept behind Burning Man is equally captivating. The temporary city that emerges in the desert is built on principles such as radical inclusion, self-reliance, and communal effort. It's a place where social hierarchies and material possessions are left behind, and everyone is encouraged to actively participate and contribute to the community. This sense of unity and cooperation is deeply inspiring, as it reminds us of the power of collective action and the potential for creating a harmonious society. Attending Burning Man would undoubtedly be an incredibly enjoyable and meaningful experience. The festival offers a plethora of workshops, performances, and interactive experiences that cater to a wide range of interests. From yoga and meditation sessions to live music performances and art exhibitions, there's something for everyone. Moreover, the freedom to express oneself without judgment or inhibition allows for personal growth and self-discovery. The temporary nature of Burning Man adds to its allure. The city is constructed and deconstructed every year, leaving no trace behind. This ephemeral nature encourages participants to appreciate the present moment and embrace the impermanence of life. It serves as a reminder that experiences and connections are often more valuable than material possessions. In conclusion, attending Burning Man is a dream of mine that I hope to fulfill in the future. Its combination of artistic expression, community spirit, and radical self-reliance makes it a truly unique and captivating event. The opportunity to immerse myself in this temporary city of creativity and freedom, surrounded by like-minded individuals, would undoubtedly be an enriching and transformative experience. I eagerly await the day when I can witness the mesmerizing beauty of Burning Man firsthand and become a part of this extraordinary celebration of art and human connection. Hope you liked our video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to keep us motivated.